This is my very first draft of this particular poem. Ophir Gold Bride by yours truly, Nanika Edwards. My bride is glowing, pure Ophir gold. She is diamond perfect, of shimmering citrine beauty untold. Forged in bright solar flare fire, ancient of days, old, as queenly as Sheba, soul armored, warrior bold. My bride is a sun-kissed pearl flower, a sweet, coy, sparkling meteorite love shower. As she moonbeams and starlit streams, her royal bridegroom's sun chariot gold. I don't know why I keep hearing this poem in a Jamaican accent. I keep veering into a Jamaican accent. Maybe this is meant to be read with a Jamaican accent. I haven't quite mastered it yet, but I'm not too bad, I don't think. You can let me know in the comment section. Please be kind. Please be kind. Ophir, Gold Bride by yours truly, Nanika Edwards. My bride is dan glowing pure Ophir gold. She is diamond perfect, of shimmering citrine beauty untold, forged in bright solar flare fire, ancient of days, silvery old, as queenly as Sheba, soul armored light warrior bold. My bride is a sun-kissed pearl flower, a sweet, coy, sparkling meteorite love raining shower. As she moonbeams and starlit streams in the covenantal bliss of star-counting daisy dazzled dreams, in full noonday glittery joy, without withhold, her royal bridegroom's sun chariots of pure carat gold, aquamarine tears fountaining, 10 crystal rivers to seas of cornflower sapphires mountaining, sky floating in radiant bouquets of mint fortune fold, starry eyes over the moon cascading, fine cheeks ocean rolled. Wedding bells chime the sweetest fairy tale e'er foretold. Oh, my lily bride, my glorious sunflower pride, a divinely gemmed pearline promise, captivates the King of Kings with springtime bliss. The Prince of Peace himself beside, a sparkling signet vow, blood diamond insignified, set in kind ruby grace and sweet emerald tide, a blushing rainbow nestling into a flushing sunset cocktail glorified. Me jewel flower press scrolled, carrot crowned, me immortal empress marigold. Behold,